Those of you involved in research in your academics would know that the true parameters of measuring success have not yet been ascertained by the researchers. Project Management Journal, International Journal of Project Management, and many others are littered with research publications discussing actually what is a success criteria and how project success measures could be conducted. The truth is, every organization has its own connotations of measuring the success obtained from a project, and it depends on the reasons why the project was created in the first place. You should not be concerned with the research world and their methods of measuring the success criteria. Instead, you will focus on what is the interpretation of PMBOK for the sake of passing the exam. Now, according to the PMBOK, the success of a project can be measured using a variety of criteria, including meeting the project's objectives, which is one of the most important measures of the project success, whether the project was able to achieve its stated objectives. So this includes meeting the project scope, schedule, and budget targets. Another measure would be delivering the expected value. Another key measure of project success is whether the project was able to deliver the expected value to the organization and its stakeholders. This may include financial value such as increase in revenue or a reduction in cost, as well as non-financial value such as improved customer satisfaction or increased efficiency. Another way would be meeting quality standards. This measure of project success is whether the project was able to meet the required quality standards. This may include meeting performance or reliability targets, as well as ensuring that the project deliverables meet the specified requirements and standards. Stakeholder satisfaction is another measure. This may include the satisfaction of customers, employees, stakeholders, shareholders, and other groups who are impacted by or interested in the project. Overall, the specific success measure for a project will depend on the specific goals and objectives of the project and the needs and expectations of the stakeholders. Measuring the success of a project is one of the most common challenges in project management. That is to determine whether or not a project is successful.